Hi, my name is Natalie. I'm a carpentry student here at Job Corps, and this is my classroom. Here is the mini classroom. We work on math packets and we just watch videos if we need to. This is where the fun begins. Here at the workstation, everybody has their own sawhorse. We work from our workbooks. We work on our own independent project depending what level they are in carpentry, and we just do our own thing. Everybody has to wear their helmet and their glasses as soon as they work in this area, so safety first. Towards this way, we have several equipment, and our teacher lets us use these equipment when they feel like we're ready to use them. So depending on what project we're on, we get to use them. Over here, we have the hammer station. Here we practice our hammering skills. Over here, we have a measurement board. Here we practice our measuring skills. We're supposed to read a measurement under 3 seconds. That's the goal. If you could do that, then you're ready to be a carpenter. Over here, this is where we keep our drills and saws. As you can see over here, this is a mini house, and inside we keep our sawhorses. We work on this mini house when we get to the framing project. Here we have our lockers. Everybody's assigned a number. We keep our toolbox in there and our tools. And on this table, this is where we get our tools checked out at the beginning of class and at the end of the day. So over here, this is where we have specific woods. We have 2x6, 2x4, plywoods, planks, anything we usually need for our projects. In this cabinet, we have several specific stuff for any equipment we need, such as spits, chisels, screwdrivers, like the essentials for any project. That was a tour of my classroom. If you are interested in being in this class, make sure you apply to the carpentry program here at Job Corps. Thanks for watching.